Hello, I'm Horace Douty, pastor of the Oxford Presbyterian Church near Lexington, Virginia. And each week I like to give a nature lesson. And today I want to deal with a plant, a very remarkable plant, which is often referred to as the supermarket of Mother Nature. Cattails. Now these two cattails, one is broken off, the other is standard height, are mature. Before they matured, they look like hot dogs or corn dogs. And as they mature, they erupt into this soft, fuzzy material that can be used and is used worldwide, or was used as mattress filling and goose down blankets. Of course, if they're using this, they're not using goose down, but it's a very, very soft and heat absorbing, gentle material. The cattail is remarkable for a number of reasons, primarily of which it is a source of food. This catkin can be eaten, not in this stage, but before it gets this mature, can be roasted and eaten, or fried and eaten, or boiled and eaten with salt and pepper and butter, just exactly like an ear of sweet corn. Up on top, gone now, are the pollen clusters, and pollen can be shaken off into a bag, and you can just in a few minutes collect enough cattail pollen to make a cake or a big loaf of bread. The stalk itself, not when it's mature like this, but when it's young, which will be pretty soon now in spring, it can be up as tall as 2 feet and be cut into sections and cooked and eaten very much like asparagus. So you've got food from the ground up, or the water, usually cattails are going in water. All of it can be eaten, except even the leaves that are long and flat, blade-like, can be eaten when they're young and tender. But the biggest source of food from the cattail I cannot show you because I couldn't get any to come up out of the water. When I pulled these, they broke off. But the roots, cattails produce more protein, edible fiber than any plant we know of per acre. More than potatoes, more than grain, more than beans. Cattails produce an enormous amount of root tuberous product that can be cooked in many ways and eaten. And it is a shame that people can go hungry when cattails are in sight of where they're camped or where they're living or where they're struggling to survive. Because in different seasons of the year, this plant can produce any number of kinds of food, all of which are highly nourishing and readily available. Plus, the stalks can be used to make a shelter, and the leaves can be woven into a basket weave pattern to provide additional shelter. So no wonder when you're near cattails, you're near nature's supermarket. That is your nature lesson for today.